CubanSRT back at it with another video, man. You already know. Hey, look. Sipping on my Cuban coffee, as you can see. So, I got breaking news. Y'all probably seen people taking off the doors off the cat. So I got a big surprise for you. I'm about to not take it off. Yeah. You probably thought I was going to take it off, but I can't. Hey, man, you know why? Shut up, ho. Hey, man, shut up. Look, tell them why we can't take the doors off the cat. Tell them why. Huh? My daddy said no.
Yeah, my daddy said no.
Yeah, so basically...
Our big daddy said no.
Hey,
what? Pause.
Stop being gay. Stop being gay. So basically, I asked him out because I don't trust nobody else taking the doors off. Stop being gay, bro.
How's that gay?
Boy, this chain fake. Hey, relax. So basically, I tried to take the doors off, and he was like, he not messing with the idea. So we about to do a quick POV. Brother reacting to the POV,
hey, man. Say, man.
Shut up, bro. This dude think he cool. Look at this.
Man.
Boy, let me see the chain. Stop. Let me see the chain. Let him see. That thing shining, boy. Shine. Who calling me? King Burras. The King Burras on the YouTube.
Oh, the doors off already.
The doors are off. The doors are off. Boy, why C's got them? Hey, C's, this is going on YouTube, boy. Why he got the melons out like that?
Hey, you capping? Let me see.
Hey, yo.
You got out.
You want to see, bro?
Yeah, show. The bullshit sticker out.
Got his ass. Doors are taking off.
Nigga, what?
That's the cat right there.
You finna get some click. Kidding me?
So look, check it out. Oh, whoa. So, about to do a POV, man. You already know. I got this little GoPro looking thing. It's not actually a GoPro. You know what I'm saying? Broke boy, gotta get the off-brand GoPro. But like I said, man, we was gonna take the doors off the cat. If you get this video to 1,000 likes, I don't care. I don't care what nobody gotta say. We taking the doors off, man. So we about to do a little POV action, man. My boy, he about to grab the camera. Let me see. Boy, stop. What are you doing? You said you better have no reaction?
Yeah, no reaction, bro.
Man, stop lying.
If I start getting scared 3 times, bro, I'll lose, bro.
Alright. I basically gotta scare you 3 times?
Yeah.
Alright, watch. Watch this then. That boy. You never been on a fast car, boy. What's the fastest I've gone with you?
Like 100.
100? 100? About to beat that high score today. You got your seatbelt on?
Yeah.
Hey man, make sure you like the video, man.
Make sure like and
Get
subscribe.
this thing to 1,000 likes, boy.
Unlike to Fast Life Nick.
All right, look. So we about to go to Mexico right now. Oh shit, my phone fell down.
YouTube, this is AI generated content.
You already know, man. This is AI generated content.
Highly edited.
Man, all these cars. Where these cars coming from?
I'm about to get these Rico hands.
Bro, back the camera up. They don't want to see you that close. All right, hold on. Check this out. Hold on. Look, put this thing right here.
Oh shit, go. Well, I thought he was him. Well, I thought he was a Forza.
Hey man, hey, this wine going crazy right now. I ain't gonna lie, I get a little nervous driving like this with you.
What?
I'm scared we're gonna die.
I don't care. I'll be like them submarine guys.
Playing around with that paddle, boy. What you know about that? Alright.
As you guys see, no reaction at all.
Boy, I ain't even do it like crazy. Watch, you wanna see something crazy?
Do something.
I'll show you something crazy, boy. I'll show you something crazy. What do you mean by that?
Bet you won't let me spin it though.
Heck no, I'm not letting you spin this thing. What's wrong with you? Bro, what you gotta tell the people, look. What you gotta tell the people about, what's your opinion on the Hellcat? You think it's fast, slow? What do you think about it?
Your Hellcat dry. You don't got no modifications.
Boy, I did the exhaust. What are you talking about?
That's it. You just took out the muffler. That's pretty much it. And it still sounds slow. You don't got anything. You took off the CubanSRT thing.
I'm about to get it wrapped though. I'm about to get that decal. What you mean? This dude really be hating though. Oh! It's an old man too. It's an old man. Look, me personally, I would have done the dash on him. That's just me though. That's just me.
CubanSRT would have been 74 and still would have had the shiesty in him.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm gonna be driving a Hellcat to high school at 15.
You gonna get that thing stolen,
How
boy.
you feel about that?
I'm gonna make you drive a piece of shit car to high school. You know why? Because you gotta learn. You gotta thug it out. If you don't ever learn how to thug it out, you're never gonna learn how to be successful. That's a tip for anybody, not just my boy Jaden, but anybody in life. If you get stuff handed to you, you're not gonna know what it feels like. You're not gonna know what it feels like when you actually get it. So I would say thug it out as much as you can, and then when you really got the chance to, you know, pull the trigger and do your thing. But I feel like you gotta thug it out. This Mercedes pulling up like he trying to race. Look at him. That boy going in.
I thought he was him.
Look, this is another cop. They be everywhere.
Where?
Oh, I don't even know if that's a cop.
That is a car.
That might be undercover.
That was a car.
How you know?
Because I'm him.
No, boy.
Street Race Technology, SRT.
SRT. How you know what that stand for? You know, I had to have a Hellcat for like a year and some change for me to understand what SRT meant.
That's because you don't deserve to have a Hellcat.
You might be right. You might be right.
That was nothing, bro.
This dude probably like, what's going on behind me? Hold on, watch this, I'm about to burn out right here.
I'll be keeping that pee.
This is a good little spot.
It's like, imagine if you go
Record,
there, bro.
record it good.
I'm scared.
Record the outside window, hurry up.
I'm scared.
Record the outside window.
Like this?
Don't let it drop, yeah.
Like this? Bro,
What you mean, boy? We do this. Come on. I hope you recorded that good. You're not even recording the. Hey, look. Hey, if you recording bad, you gotta put in the comments below. Let me get a new cameraman. I hope he recorded that thing. Hey, I hope my tires ain't go crazy bald on that one.
I smelt it.
I can smell it too. Jesus. My mom's probably gonna watch it like, ah, Michelito. You already know, man.
Do you know? You heard that?
Boy, I do this. What you mean? What you mean? That boy Jaden didn't know I do this for real. Hold on.
If blood didn't understeer, it would have been fucked. Are you serious right now? That's all you got, Michael? That's all you got? I thought this was 707, boy.
Hey, look, you can see my tracks I left. Hey, that's wild. I'm not gonna lie. Got my heart pumping a little bit. I feel a cop coming out of nowhere right now. That boy about to drive. Don't do nothing yet. Wait for me to get in the car.
Alright.
He not ready for this,
In the
bro.
car, bro, I'm ready.
Boy, he not ready. You see the tires. How they looking after that? Oh man. Got this thing tinted. Hey, shout out True 6 Customs, man, for the tint, for real. Alright. Well, you're on the side of the road. Go right here.
Where?
Keep going straight. Actually, take a left. You gotta slow down when you take turns. Slow down. You know how to brake, bro?
Yeah.
Brake.
I don't care.
Brake. All right, keep going. Don't go more than 10 miles. Keep going. Put your seatbelt on.
I do have it on.
Dude, you're too close. You gotta be in the road.
You scare me.
You're right next to a car.
Excuse me.
Keep going. Damn.
You got like I don't know what I'm doing.
Put that window down a little bit. Right there. All right.
Alright, I won't go fast.
Don't go fast, but you're getting too close to the cars.
I promise I won't.
All right, keep going. You're getting too close to this car. Keep going. Keep going. You gotta be on the right side of the road, right there. Stay. Don't get too close. You're getting too close. Right here. Get closer to the seat. You're too far away. You can't even steer.
I can do it right here.
Boy, you got me nervous as I don't know what. All right, keep going. Keep going. You're not even at the stop sign yet. Stop when you get too close. No, you can't stop right here. Keep going. Right here. I'll tell you when to stop. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Stop. All right, take a left. There's no cars coming. Did you look both ways? Stop. Why are you gas? Why are you hitting? Did you do that on purpose?
Nope.
All right, keep going. Go like 20 right here.
Alright.
Don't step on the gas. There you go.
Michael, your steering wheel gonna be sweaty after this.
You're sweating?
Yup.
This dude got me nervous, man, for real. All right, keep going. Stop right here. Stop. Keep going. You're not at the stop sign yet. Keep going. Keep going. You gotta stop when you can see both sides. You can't even see that shit yet. Keep going. Keep going. All right, stop right here. Let the dude go. Let the dude go. Tell him come. No, tell him come. That dude don't know a little kid driving. Stop! 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 You f. It doesn't matter. Stop! All right, go. Stop. You don't see the car coming? Damn. Oh my God. Get closer to right here. Why are you going when you see a car coming?
Huh?
Why are you going when you see a car coming? You gotta stop until they're done.
You can't say that. You're driving a.
Boy, thanks to me. Thanks to me, I let you drive this. Anyway, guys, make sure you like the video, man. I'm about to end the video here. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Check your boy Jaden's channel. He's about to drop his channel coming 2031. You already know. 2031, he's dropping his YouTube channel.
It's gonna be called
CubanSRT. You already know, man.
It's gonna be Jaden the God SRT.
All right, anyway, peace out, guys.